Yo, what's going on guys, Zaina here, and today I'll be showing you how to make a YouTube channel thumbnail. So in order to make a thumbnail, you need an app called Pixel Lab. The link will be given in the description. You can go check it out from there. After that, click on the three dots on the top right, select image size and select the preset to YouTube channel thumbnail. Now to change the color of your background, scroll all the way to left and select color. Now change the color to any. I have chosen purple just to show you an example. Now to change the text, you have to click on new text and type in yours. Now follow me as I enhance my text with the fonts etc. Enjoy the video. Now to make it look even better, you have to scroll all the way to the left, and the main things that you have to enable is your stroke, inner shadow and the shadow. To make it look perfect, you can change the color of your stroke and the stroke's width, and by enabling the shadow and the inner shadow as well. Now to change the fonts, you have to scroll left again, or right, my bad, and select fonts, and from here you can choose any font you like. I'm not stopping you. Spend at least half an hour looking for a perfect font, and as you can see there are lots of fonts that I like, but I couldn't decide one. So yeah, you don't want to do that, and finally I found one font. Here it is. Now you can adjust it. Now I want the Spotify icon to appear on the right side. For that, I'll go ahead and open Google and search Spotify JPG. And to download the image, I'll hold on to the image and select download image. After downloading the image, you have to go back to Pixel Lab, click on the three dots on the top left and select new image. Now all you have to do is select the image you just downloaded, and there you go. You have your whole thumbnail that you made, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. I thought I was done with the video, but no, the transparent thing is yet to be removed. For that, you have to scroll all the way to the left and enable erase color. There you go, you have officially made your thumbnail. Yay! If this video helped you out, please don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.